Hi, Kirsten.
Hi.
Thank you for joining me. What did you think of the meditation workshop that you came along?
I thought it was a thoroughly enjoyable day. It was lovely to get together with some like-minded ladies to meditate, which was something that I was interested in learning a bit more about. So that was really interesting because I've only ever done very short sessions of meditation. So it was lovely to do something a bit longer. And obviously to do some Pilates, which I know I'm very familiar with, but that's always nice. And then to also learn some brilliant tools for, I guess, finding time in your day to stop and meditate sometimes. That's something that I've started doing a little bit of on your recommendation of some of the apps that we talked about on the day. Yeah, and just finding time, finding a bit of headspace. And obviously the food on the day as well was great. The little bit of nutrition you did, I know that wasn't the main focus, but that was lovely too, to kind of learn a bit more about healthy snacks and food.
Oh, brilliant. And the food that accompanied the day, what did you think of that food?
It was all delicious. I haven't yet had time. I know you've sent the recipes through. I haven't yet had time to make anything, but it was lovely. The quinoa chili that we finished with was lovely. The protein balls, really delicious. And what was the other thing that we had? Oh, the Kia, can't remember. Oh, pots.
Yes.
It was all delicious, and who knew that healthy food could be so delicious?
Hey, perfect.
Yeah, it was great.
Good. And the venue, did you find the venue okay?
Really nice venue. It wasn't somewhere I was at all familiar with, but I don't have any negatives to talk about the venue. It was lovely. It's a nice position there, isn't it? And comfortable, warm. Yeah,
Good.
absolutely fine. Yeah,
And value for money, did you think that the day was value for money?
I would say so. Yeah, because it was what did we do? 10 till 2,
Two.
10 till 2. Yeah, great. It was perfect. Brilliant
Good.
one.
And you felt that you had lots of tools to take away with you in terms of things to do in time? Because I know you're a busy working lady with your own business. So did you feel that you had something to take away with you for the future?
Definitely. Yeah, I think my main motivation coming was to gain more motivation to stay fit and healthy and lose some weight. So I definitely came away with more motivation to carry on with that. I had already started, but of course, being January, it was an early part of the year, so I'd started to do a bit more exercise and start thinking about those things. But it came at a perfect time to give me that extra boost, really.
That's
And yeah, and so that was wonderful to be able to just think, right, stay on track. I've been walking every day, which is something I've signed up to, a walk 1,000 miles this year, which I tried to do last year. I didn't quite get there, but I'm really hopeful this year if I get out every day. So that's been really motivational for me. Um, and I think some of the tools on the PowerPoint that you did with us ladies was great. I have not using all of them, but I've certainly picked out ones like some of the mantras. I actually have a new mantra. Um, I found a new one which kind of links in with my walking, and it is: a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So
exactly.
yeah, which I think that's going to be a really successful one that I can keep in my head.
Yeah, that's brilliant because it doesn't matter, how small the step is, even if you're just drinking water, you know that it's all going to a bigger picture.
Yes. Yeah. No, it's been fantastic. And probably something that might be a small thing you may not have thought of, but when you brought all the herbal teas to the meditation day, I'm back on my herbal teas. I'm drinking less tea, normal tea and coffee. And I think that's definitely helping with energy levels and skin. And
Brilliant.
yeah. So it's
That's
great.
perfect. So even though the focus was on releasing stress and meditation, it was also a springboard for you to move on to your healthy habits and consolidate those.
Definitely. Yeah, that's a good way of putting it, for sure.
Brilliant. Thanks, Kirsten. Thanks for sharing that with us.
Thank you for all the tools and inspiration. It was great.
Good. Take care.